Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Friday to you all, to my friends here on Zoom and those of you on YouTube. Hello, everybody. How are you all? Okay, you can use the chat to talk with me and you can reply me using the chat. So make sure you type out your answers, okay? Good afternoon again. Let me see. How are you? Those of you on YouTube, send me a little message on the chat. Say hello. Let me know you're fine. Those of you on Zoom, send me a little chat. Say something so I know that you are paying attention and listening to me. Good afternoon, Pang Yuan Yuan. Yuan Yuan. Can I call you Pang? Is that correct? Kersin, Damia. Good afternoon to you all. Welcome to Maxis eKelas. My friends on YouTube, if you can hear me, let me know. Okay, let me know in the chat. I want to know whether you can hear me or not. So I am looking at Zoom here, and then when I move here, I'm looking at YouTube. So my face will keep moving here and there. Okay, so don't worry. I'm gonna make sure I say hello to all of you on Zoom and on YouTube, and make sure that all of us are enjoying Maxis eKelas together. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome. Welcome back, everybody, to Maxis eKelas. This is exciting. I am Teacher Dominic, and I'm going to be spending some time with you today so that we can learn something interesting and fun together. That's why we're here for Maxis eKelas. Hi! We're going to learn a few things. Welcome to our session together here at Maxis eKelas. Remember, guys, very important, go to ekelas.com.my, ekelas.com.my to check out the Maxis eKelas portal. You'll get a lot of information there, very useful for you. For example, the digital mission on photography is still happening. The digital mission on photography is still happening. And if you want to win some e-vouchers, make sure you go to the Maxis eKelas portal, ekelas.com.my, look for Abang Portal on the website, Abang Portal, and then you will be able to get information and maybe you will win the e-vouchers. So what are you waiting for? Okay, that's the Maxis eKelas portal. Make sure you go there. Tomorrow you have the maths and science tutorial, so be sure to get all the information that you need. And where do you get the information? Where do you get the timetable? The Maxis eKelas portal. Okay, so ekelas.com.my. Remember that. Keep it in your head, keep it in your brain, lock it in and save. ekelas.com.my. Okay, everybody. Those of you who are joining me on YouTube, hello. So when I look on this side, I'm looking at my YouTube. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. We are going to be learning something very exciting together. This is an exciting Friday afternoon. If you are ready to start, please type ready in the chat. Show me your excitement. Show me that you are ready to pay attention. And we are going to start. Get your pencil and pen ready. Get your notebook ready. I want you to write down any information that is important for you. And maybe you will have to answer some questions. So write it in the notebook as well so that you can do your revision and we don't forget what we learned together. Okay? So hello. I'm going to share my screen so that we can all look at the slides together. Can you see my slides? If you can, let me know in the chat. Make sure we are ready to start because today we're going to learn present simple in affirmative, negative, and question manner. What is this, guys? Okay, we're going to go through it together, don't worry. And welcome Form 2 students to Maxis eKelas. Are we ready? I don't see any response yet. Are we ready? Yes, Dexter. Yes, Pang Yuan Yuan. We are ready to start. On Zoom already, on YouTube, are we ready? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to begin because this is so exciting. Present simple in affirmative. Affirmative, what does affirmative mean? It means something like yes. In the positive, we have the negative and question manner. So let us warm up our brains. When are simple present tenses used? Remember, we're talking about present means now, happening now, not past, didn't happen in the past. Not future means not the future, but present. So when do we use simple present tenses? A, B, or C? A is we use simple present tenses for habitual actions, means habit. We do it all the time. Okay, that's habit. B, simple present tenses are used for actions in the past. Is it? Maybe. Or C, simple present tenses are used for actions in the future. I wonder what it is. A, B, or C. Can I get your answers, please? Type in the chat. A, B, or C. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think it's D, Dexter says. Now remember, we're talking about simple present tenses. The word present means something that is happening not in the past and not in the future. So what does that mean, guys? What does this mean, students of Max's eKelas? What do we think is the answer? Okay, good. I'm seeing some answers on YouTube as well. Ta-da! The correct answer is A. Simple present tenses are used for habitual actions or for actions that will repeat. So habitual means habit. When something is a habit, yeah, already it's a habit, you do it all the time. Means like you brush your teeth every day. That is a habit. Maybe more than one time a day even. Or something that you do all the time. You eat, you sleep. These are habits. They are repeated actions, okay? So, for example, Heidi goes to school every day. This is a habitual action. Means it repeats. So it is not B because B is in the past, and it's not C because C is in the future. All right, so A. High five if you got it correct. If you didn't, don't worry. Hello, my friends on YouTube. Nice to see you. I see some names that are similar. Don't worry. I'm happy to see you here. Okay. Simple present tenses can also be used to show a truth or a fact. Now, a truth or fact means it's something that is confirmed. You cannot change it. Like the sun shines every morning. You cannot say the shine does not shine every morning because the sun does shine every morning. Although you can argue maybe in different parts of the world, the sun will shine and not shine, but it's okay. In Malaysia, the sun shines every morning. This is a fact. You cannot change it, okay? So we use the simple present tense, shines. That is simple present tense, okay? Let's try and see if we understand what it means. So how is an affirmative? Affirmative means more positive, okay? How is an affirmative sentence in simple present tense form? Ooh, very difficult. Let's try and see if we can get the answer together. Do we use the verb to be, then the object, and then the subject? Let's answer A. Do we use the object, the verb to be, and then the subject? Let's answer B. Or do we use the subject, the verb to be, and then the object? Answer C. Let's see what you think, guys. You should already know what is object and subject, right? And the verb to be. Which one is it? Is it A, the verb to be, the object, and then the subject? Is it B, the object, the verb to be, and then the subject? Or is it C, the subject, the verb to be, and then the object? Dexter and Damia says C. Pang says C with a question mark. How about on YouTube? What do you think? Chong Kersin says C. And the answer is drum roll. What is the answer, guys? Yes! C. Well done! Okay, clap, 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 clap. Well done, guys. Good, 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 good. The answer is C. That's correct. An example of an affirmative sentence in simple present tense is he is my best friend. That's a positive sentence. He is my best friend. If you want to make it in the past, he was my best friend means now he is not my best friend anymore. So he is my best friend. Now let's look at this box here on the right. An affirmative sentence is simple present tense. In simple present tense can also be formed using this formula. So remember, subject, verb to be, and object. For example, they dance in the studio every week. Now, every week makes it something that happens regularly, like a habit. It happens every week. So you know for sure every week, this week, next week, next week, next week, they will always dance at the studio. So they dance in the studio every week. So we have dance here, which is affirmative. Affirmative means positive. Let's try and look at this. Then maybe you understand more, okay? Don't worry if you can't get it straight away. Just write it down and then we will try and discuss it, okay? So the instruction says, fill in the blanks with the present tense form of the verbs in the bracket. So all the words in the bracket are the verbs that we need to change to the present tense. So everybody get your pen or pencil and your notebook ready. Write your answers. Type your answers one by one after I read the question. Let's see how many you get correct at the end, okay? So question number 1. Jennifer blank hungry. Please give her some food. In the present, right now, Jennifer what hungry? Jennifer was, Jennifer will be, or Jennifer is hungry? We're talking about now. Pang Yuan Yuan, you say is. Damian, you say was. Please give her some food. Everything is in the present. So what is in the present? Is it was? Is it will be? Is it is? Jennifer, now. She is hungry now. So what is the answer? Was means now she's not hungry anymore, but we're talking about present now. So if you want to talk about present, we say Jennifer was means in the past. Okay, Dexter? Why are my YouTube friends so quiet? Let's make sure we have more noise happening on YouTube, okay? Was is in the past, but Jennifer now. Jennifer is hungry now. Please give her some food. Jennifer is hungry. Give her some food. Jennifer is. So let's put down is, okay? Dexter, good try. Damian, good try. But was means in the past. We're talking about present, okay? Now, the boys in the park every day. Every day. So it happens every day. So the boys, what in the park every day? Is it played? Did they played every day? No, because that's in the past means it's not happening anymore. So the boys, yes, Pang, very good. The boys, Dexter, what do you think? Dexter says playing. Okay, we'll check it out later. Playing means they're playing now, but if they play every day, when it is a habitual action, we say the boys play in the park every day. Dexter, playing means they're playing now, but if we say every day, means they can play now, but they also play tomorrow, and they play the day after that, and they play every day. Okay, so the boys play in the park every day. Good, Dexter. I'm very happy you're responding to me. Okay. Remember the Olympics is happening now. So if you want to say about our athletes in the Olympics, question number 3. The athletes, what very hard for the competition? Remember, they are not just training now, they're training all the time. You cannot just train one time and then go for competition. You have to train all the time. So the athletes, very good, Dexter. Very good, Pang. Pang Yuan Yuan, very good. Hello, YouTube. How are you all doing? Where's my answer on YouTube? What do you think? Is something happening on YouTube? I think YouTube has stopped. Uh-oh. Or is it my YouTube? Okay, never mind. Chonker Sin, very good. Well done, well done, well done. So I think you guys are getting more used to this. So the athletes train very hard for the competition. Linda, okay, the word be here, we need to change it to either is or was. So Linda, yes, Pang, very good, is happy with her examination results. Very good, Dexter. So Linda is very good. Kirsten is happy with her examination results. She's still happy now. It's not she was happy yesterday. It's not that she will be happy tomorrow, but she is happy with her examination results. And if you keep coming to Max's eKelas, you will be happy with your examination results. Okay, number 5. Oops, 5. The dogs chasing after each other. Oh, Pang, you're very good. Well done. Now, this is a plural. We have more than one dog. Dexter, well done. The dogs. Yes, Kasim, very good. The dogs are chasing after each other. The dogs are chasing after each other. But we'll confirm the answer later, okay? But I think it's correct. Animals can't use is, Dexter. See, Dexter, you are a very good student. We cannot use is because it is more than one dog. So the dogs are. Are is plural, okay? And chasing means it is happening in the present right now. Okay, Morrison. Morrison is the name of a person. Every time when he is angry, what does he do? So this is a habitual thing. It happens repeatedly. It is something that repeats. Whenever he is angry, what does he do? He complains. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, Pang. Very good, Dexter. Very good, cousin. Yes, Morrison complains when he is angry. Now, the turkeys gobble when they see people. This is more than one turkey. So, what do we use? The turkeys, yeah, pay attention. It's more than one turkey. So, we need to make sure we have the correct word here, the correct tense. The turkeys gobble when they see people. And number 8, I what? Excited to meet my pen pal. I is, I was, I am, I are. Am I confusing you? Which one is it? I, okay. We're talking about in the present tense form, okay? That's the instructions in the question. Dexter and Kirsten was is in the past, but we want present now. So I what? Excited to meet my pen pal. You want to say that now you are excited. So the answer is there already. Some of you gave the correct answer. Dexter and Kirsten was is in the past, but we want to talk about now. So you are excited to meet your pen pal means that I am. Okay, good. So let's see if you got all the questions correct. Let's just quickly go through it, okay? Jennifer is hungry. Please give her some food. The boys play in the park every day. Well done. Ah, okay. My friends on YouTube, I can see you now. Good job. Keep answering. Keep answering. Keep answering. Good. The athletes train very hard for the competition. Remember, our Olympic athletes are training very hard. So they train very hard for the competition. Linda is happy with the examination results. The dogs are chasing each other. Morrison complains when he is angry. The turkeys gobble when they see people, and I am excited to meet my pen pal. All this is present tense form, everybody. Well done! Good job, good job. And I can see Farida, Rian as well. You're answering well done. Good, good, good. Perfect. Okay, Dexter on Zoom, do you understand? Kasin, do you understand? Because we're going to move on to negative. Things that are in a negative. So when it is a negative sentence, negative means you have not or no or isn't, all the negative words. Yes, good job, Rian. Well done. How is a negative sentence in simple present tense formed? A, B, or C? Quickly look at it and take a guess. What do you think? A, B, or C? This is a negative sentence. Dexter B. Pang says C with 2 question marks. Cousin Tamia, different answers. Okay. A, B, or C. Is a negative sentence in simple present tense form using subject, verb to be, and then not, and then object? Or is it object, verb to be, subject? Or is it a subject, verb to be, and object? Now remember, this is a negative sentence. We must have a negative word. A negative word. What is a negative word? And the answer is A, because there's a negative word here. Look, N-O-T, not. Not. It's a negative word, okay? Because now we're looking at a negative sentence. So an example of a negative sentence in simple present tense form is he is not my best friend, okay? He is not my best friend. Not what is written here, but he is not my best friend. Subject, he. Verb to be is not. Object, my best friend. Okay? So an affirmative sentence in simple present tense can also be formed through the formula. Okay, a negative sentence. The subject, verb to be, not, action, verb, and an object. For example, they do not dance in the studio every week. Okay, this is for a negative sentence. They do not. Okay, this is negative, remember? They, subject, do not. Do is the verb, and then not is the negative word. And then what's the action? Dance, and then the object. Okay, they do not dance in the studio every week. Let's try and do some exercises together, okay? Are we all ready? We have 8 questions here. Let's do it together, guys. Switch on our brain, like you switch on the car, or switch on your computer. Are we ready? 8 questions. Hello on YouTube. Make sure you answer, okay? I'm going to check all of us. So, number 1, Terry blank like to perform in front of any crowd. Remember, we're still talking about present tense. Terry, this is one person. So Terry, do not is for plural. So for more than one person, we say do not. But Terry is one person. So what is... very good. Rian, don't... remember, this is Terry, one person. Do not or does not? Think carefully. Terry does not like to perform in front of a crowd, or Terry do not? One person. So it is Terry does not. Okay? Terry does not. Don't worry. Just write it down so that you can refer to it again in the future. Number 2, the girls. The sentence here is will not. So the girls blank said that they will not be going to the cinema. The girls is sad. The girls are sad. The girls were sad. The girls... Remember, the negative word is already in a sentence. Okay, the girls, what, blank, said that they will not be going to the cinema. We're trying to make a negative present tense here. So aren't, I'm seeing some answers here. They will not be going to the cinema. Actually, how long have you not been going to the cinema? So are you sad that you can go to the cinema because of MCO? It's okay, guys, don't worry. Okay, number 3. Let's try and cover all these answers as much as we can. I want to call you anymore. Remember, this is negative. I, in the present tense, do I want to call you anymore? No, I don't. So I don't want to call you anymore. Is it correct? Write it down first. Check your answers later. Number 4, the burglar careless to leave any trails. So this means the burglar does not want to leave any clues, does not want to leave anything. But the burglars Are they careless? Yes, they're careless. But the burglars are not careless. The burglar is not. We're talking about one burglar, sorry. The burglar, one burglar only, is not careless, are not, were not. Remember, we're talking about present. So present is, are. So the burglar, one person. Check your answer later, okay? Just write it down. I see some of you, Farida. Very good, very good, very good. Rian J, thank you. Pang Kesin, Dexter, okay, good. Demia, all right. Number 5, Penny amused with this joke. Penny, is Penny amused? No, Penny is not amused with this joke. Very good, Rian. Okay, number 6, the cats. You know these cats? Don't touch them. They don't like it. So the cats, K-S, cats. Do they like to be touched? The cats. The cats. The verb is do. So do not. Okay. I see some answers. Very good, very good. Keep it there. We'll check later. Marilyn, Marilyn doesn't like to go to the gym alone. She prefers to go with friends. So Marilyn does not or do not. One person. Remember, one person here. So Marilyn do not or does not. Okay, number 8. My mother's not happy with me today. Is my mother pleased with my behavior today? No. My mother is not or are not. It should be is not. Okay, so check all your answers. Terry does not like to perform in front of any crowd. The girls are not sad that they will not be going to cinema today. Okay, good. This is a confusing one. The girls are not sad. No, they're happy actually. And I do not want you to call me anymore. I do not. Remember the verb here. The burglar is not careless. Very good, Rian. Very good, Farida. Well done, well done, well done. The burglar is not, Penny is not amused with his joke. She's not laughing at his joke. Number 6, the cats do not like being touched. So don't touch the cats. They do not like being touched. Number 7, Marilyn does not enjoy going to the gym alone. She doesn't like it. And number 8, my mother is not pleased with my behavior today. So when your mother is not happy, you can say, my mother is not pleased with my behavior today. Okay, very good. Now, let's quickly cover these 8 questions. We have 1 minute. We can do this. Fill in the blanks with the present tense form of the verbs in the bracket. There, I will give it to you. We're going to go through this together, okay? So write it down. These are questions and these are present tense form. So do the girls enjoy ballet? Okay, do. You're asking do. And the girls, okay, because it's more than one girl. Dexter, very good. You haven't reviewed it for a long time. That's why we have Maxis eKelas. Yay. Okay, are they ready to go to school? Are, you're asking more than one person, are they? Not is they, but are they? Number 3, are you satisfied with the treatment you received? Are you, not is you, are you? Okay, now does he want to speak to a lawyer? Does he, not do he. Do they want to speak to a lawyer? But does he, one person, does he want to speak to a lawyer? Another question, number 5, Marianne is one person. So does Marianne need to use the restroom? Okay. Number 6, is she my biological sister? Not are she, is she? One person. Now, do you understand how to solve this mathematical problem? Do you? Not does you or are you, but do you understand? And number 8, are they aware that they cannot take anything from the library? Are they? Not is they. Is he aware? Is she aware? But if it's more than one person, are they aware? So write this down, do your revision, review it, Dexter, you can always review this now on Max's eKelas. Go to the eKelas portal, eKelas account of mine, and check out all the information is there, and you can keep learning more. All right. I hope you guys had fun with me today um, at this session with eKelas. Thank you to Maxis. I hope you all learned something new. Remember to write it down and do your revision. Okay? Have a good Friday and a good weekend, everybody. Remember, tomorrow you still have some tutorials, so come back and join Max's eKelas. Thank you, everybody. Have fun. Remember to do your revision, and I will see you all soon.